All right, so I'm sure you know that I was there at the final bell to wrap up this season of Schools Challenge Quiz, 50th year, and with a 20-point lead against Kingston College, St. Jago are the 2019 champs, and the team is here with Coach Romeo. So let me introduce them. Beside me, Captain Shanari Lindsay. Shanari right there. Beside Shanari, Joel Henriquez. And there's Leroy Casanova, Abigail Burns, and Chadwick Thompson, who is a reserve, but actually played this year. And there's Coach Romeo over there. Congrats, good morning, welcome, congrats. Make some noise, don't bother with it, don't bother with it, man. Fantastic effort. And by the way, I don't know if you know this, but they got 39 points last year also, but did not win in the final. And the Coach Romeo actually won School Challenge Quiz back in 2008. When we look like him still at school. Congrats, congrats. Skipper,
Thanks.
how it feel?
Well, Mr. Bell, morning Jamaica. I can say that the feeling, it is tremendous. Knowing that we have put in the late nights, the hard work, the feeling to win the 50th of SCQ, it's overwhelming.
Yeah. Joel, coming into the game, how did you feel? I mean, it's Kingston College, you lost the final last year, you're back in the final again. How did you feel?
Well, knowing that I was in the final last year, so basically I had a certain level of confidence because I know what it takes to win the final now. So basically, yeah, there's no doubt in my mind that I could pull off a victory. So
yeah,
I was more confident.
Leroy, do you have an area of expertise in this? Are you the math genius, are you the science man, or do you have an area of expertise on the team?
Well, my area of expertise on this team is basically current affairs and geography because I really love those subjects.
Right.
Yes, sir.
Yep. Abigail, you didn't play last year. Was there any time in the game, I know you came in with confidence, but was there any time in the final that you kind of said, before the end, that you kind of say, yeah, man, we have this? Was there any time in the game that you thought so?
Yes, right before, well, right in the midst of the buzzer section when we saw the lead that we had, and we said, of course, why stop here? Just endure to the finish line.
Yeah.
Yes.
Abigail, why don't push you up the chair, please?
I guess it was just the overwhelming feeling that they had. They just grabbed me.
This is it. I don't know if you're going to see them push Abigail. And then all of a sudden you see her coming like she's coming from underground. Yeah.
That's desiccation, English language, spell bourgeois. Jago.
B-O-U-R-G-E-O-I-S.
That's right, local and international affairs. Whom did Queen Elizabeth II surpass? Kingston College.
What's Abigail though?
And we won't have time. Not sure if they buzzed before the bell or not. No, they didn't. Okay.
Abigail, let me rough you up properly. So I'm looking and I say, so where Abigail gone? She gone home. And then I see something. I just say, oh, there you go. Chadwick, you played in the first round.
Yes, sir.
You're a part of this, aren't you? How do you feel?
Well, sir, it's a very happy feeling, sir, to know that I've been a part of the St. Jago High School 50th season team. Sir, the feeling is very overwhelming to know that we won this year, the 50th anniversary, and to know that we went on the 275th anniversary of St. Jago.
Fantastic.
As a shout out to the St. Jago family.
Fantastic.
Sir, so it's a very happy feeling, sir. Yeah. I'm just very happy that I had to be a part of this.
Chadwick, you talk. Apprentice still. How old are you?
I'm 14 years old,
14 years old. Which form are you in?
Second form, sir.
So you will be the school challenge.
Yes, sir. I was a part of the Linseed Primary Junior School Challenge Quiz team, sir.
So you're a challenger.
Yes, sir.
Coach?
Yes, sir.
Congrats. You won this. Did that help? The fact that you won it before, did that help as a coach? And this is your second year and you got to the final. And you're the lead coach, by the way.
Yes.
And this is your second year and you got to the final 2 years. Did that help, the fact that you won?
I think that winning as a player definitely helped. What it did was give me the know-how to and the experience that I could share with the players to tell them what to expect, what the feeling would be in the finals. So I definitely knew that mattered. I think last year, the disappointment of even the finals, my experience in the finals, I was really nervous in my finals. It was just that we were such a good team, I could draw on the others. So I told them not to take too much from the finals. I mean, it's a matter of enjoying yourself. So the defeat was, I knew it was gut-wrenching, but at least having another year, Shanari, Joel, and Leroy coming back, I told them to just win it for the captain, David Gale, and at the same time, our priority, as much as winning is important, I was so happy that being in the finals, David ended up getting a scholarship.
Oh, brilliant.
Currently attending UA based on that, so
Brilliant.
I was happy for that.
So as the captain, I know like the football captain, him does spin the kind, him not do nothing else. But as the captain, what outside of that, you're part of the team, what's your role? I mean, you have to grab everybody every now and again. What do you do?
My role as the captain outside of quiz, I have to see that each and every one of us, we go to our classes, we're on time, our schoolwork is up to par. We have to make sure that we contact our parents, check on our families, and just the simple stuff.
Oh, fantastic. I wish I could talk some more, but we have to go to news. Great to see you guys. Congrats. Abigail, don't make them push you up again. Tie up yourself on the chair there. But fantastic. Coach, brilliant. And guys, absolutely amazing. Say hi to the school and the kids at St. Jago. St. Jago's winning Schools Challenge team, Coach Romeo Lee, and members Shinari Lindsay, Joel Enriquez, Leroy Casanova, Abigail Barnes, and Chadwick Thompson. More and smile when we come back from News in 5. Stay with us, please.